So Stephanie and I just had a coaching session, and quite frankly, I was a bit fluttered and flustered when I first started because I'm getting ready to go on a trip. I'm going to be gone for almost 2 weeks, and so what she was able to help me do was to identify what a challenge that I'm having, which I think is often with entrepreneurs, is how to use your time most effectively. And so she was able to help me identify by asking some really good questions of what were the most important things that I wasn't scheduling that I needed to schedule, and then offering some strategies to put some things in place so that I can start first of all get clarity of what were the things that would most move the needle, so to speak, in the projects that I have going, and secondly, how to create a system and some strategies to actually put them into action. So that was super helpful. So I really appreciate that focus. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you so much. I hope you have an awesome day.
Thanks, Stephanie. Thanks for your
Welcome.
thanks for your input. That was great.